Home Dashboard. In Home Dashboard, you can select or control a device, mobile, external device, home IoT devices, etc. connected to the TV. Benefits of Home Dashboard. 1. You can check and select the external device connected through the external input port or network. 2. Connect your mobile device to TV to share the mobile screen and enjoy the stored contents. 3. Use AirPlay HomeKit to control your TV and watch content from your iPad or Mac on the TV screen. 4. The currently selected output speaker is displayed, and you can navigate to the output speaker settings screen. 5. You can also view the list of connected Bluetooth devices, if connected any. 6. Also, the PC can be remotely operated from the TV. 7. You can check and control the device connected via the Home IoT. You can log in or out with your LG ThinQ account by clicking on this icon. For more options like Edit Inputs, IoT Device, Turn on of the notification, Available IoT Devices, User Guide, and Quit App, click on this icon. To close the app, directly click on the cross icon.